Oh, why does it look like that? Hey, so today, actually for a while now, I have a bunch of clothes right here that I don't want anymore, don't fit anymore, whatever. But there's some that I still like and they fit, but they just, I would never want to wear them in public. They're just, I don't know. I just don't like them anymore. And so instead of getting rid of them, the ones that I really couldn't make work, I'm getting rid of. But the ones that I could, I was like, well, why don't I cut them or paint them or do something to fix them? I don't know how to sew. I don't know how to paint like good things. I don't really know how to do any of that. The only thing I do know how to do is cut things. And I have this pair of sweatpants, which I really didn't think this through, but they had a hole in it. And I thought the hole was at the very bottom of the sweatpants, but it was actually in the pocket. So before I knew that, I was like, oh my gosh, I'll cut them into like sweat shorts. That will be cool. My nose really itches. Sorry. I tried to cut them like this. They don't look that cool in real life or on camera. So I don't really know what that did because I cut that, but there's still a hole in it. So unless I learn how to sew, that one probably won't be working. Maybe my sister will do it. My 8-year-old sister, she knows how to sew, I think. At least she tells me she does. So anyway, now those clothes back there are the ones that I like still and I don't want to get rid of. A lot of these are my brother's clothes actually. So this is my brother's, doesn't fit him, doesn't fit me. It's a little small, so I'm gonna cut it. The only thing is that like once I cut it, that's it, obviously. But it's just a little bit intimidating. No, this is stupid. I'll just cut it. Now that you can see it, let's cut this thing. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like that was too high. Whatever. I know this line isn't straight. Well, actually I'm betting on it being straight. Who knows if it actually is. And am I gonna try these on afterwards? Probably not. Look at this line. Can you tell that it's bad? So that looks like that. This is a pair of jeans that I need to make fit me because they're too big, so I don't really want to do that today. Don't know what I want to do with that. These two I want to like paint or cut or something, but I don't really want to get paint today, so done with that. And now we have this little guy. This is dry fit material, so I feel like the fabric isn't that good for cutting, like it will really show, but what do I know. Okay, yay, great, that's done. Wait, that was kind of boring. That was it. I don't know if they look good. I feel like they do. I should move this up now. Okay, so we have these. I thought the camera's falling. We have these two that are basically the exact same navy blue Nike shirts that I have cropped, and I don't even wear cropped things, but yay for that. Let me figure something out with our next steps and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've been looking for a few minutes now and I've realized a lot of these designs are cool, but I would never be able to legitimately do them. I decided to do just a basic paint splattering on these jeans. Now I don't have a black one that I want to do, but I have this gray one, so I feel like gray with white could still be cool. And then this lighter pair, I feel like white on here would be cool too, but I only want to do that on one, and then the other one I want to do something else. I just haven't found anything else to do yet. Like paint splatter with a bunch of colors kind of looks cool on lighter jeans, but I don't need two pairs that are splattered, you know? But then I saw that picture and I feel like it looks so cool with all those colors on it. But it also could end up looking bad if I do it. Okay, I'm tired of looking. Let's just go paint these. We'll see which one we end up with. I got them for like $9 a few years ago. Never wore them because they have this red on the back. I don't really like them. Wish they were plain white. So I wanted to dye them or paint them or something, but I've never done it. I literally don't know what to do. I'm just going blindly into this right now. At least I have paintbrushes and paint. I bought fabric paint a few days ago. I have white, orange, and black. Luckily I got 2 things of white because I had a feeling that I was gonna need to do something like this. And when I say that I don't have any ability, I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to be honest. I'm trying to set the bar so low that it's accurate. Okay, what do I do? What do I do now? Someone please tell me what's next. This is a mess over here, but there's nothing I can do about it. Well, there is, but I'm not gonna do it. I feel like these could look cool orange though. Let's do orange on these. And then the paint splatters on these. There we go. There we go. Look, I just made a decision. That easy. Even though I'm gonna be second guessing it the whole time. I'm very excited for this now. Maybe I won't be excited in a few minutes. I don't know. Is there like directions to this? Pre-wash fabric. No. Place cardboard under fabric or between layers. No. If I get any paint splatter on the camera, I'm quitting. Just so everyone knows. Got some glob of paint on here. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, it's working. Wait, I kind of did that as a joke, but okay, what? Why was I ever doubting myself? And I'm not even making that big of a mess. What the heck? Why didn't anyone tell me years ago that I was artistic? I would have had a whole different path in life. Why am I holding it like this? Oh, got some on the counter. We'll worry about that in a minute. Got a lot on the counter. Oh my gosh, you can't stop me. I'm like a madman, artistic man. And it's going way fast. Like, I don't like doing things that take a lot of my time. Oh my gosh, why am I so excited? And it's fabric paint, so I can like legit wash it and it won't come out. Like, I didn't think I would actually wear this, whatever I created. I thought I would just give it away. I literally have to show you how good it's going so far. Besides getting some on the counter, this doesn't look half bad, I think. Can I say a few things to you? First, I didn't think it would be this fun. I wish someone told me this would be fun, then maybe I would have taken an art class in high school instead of a foods class. Anyway, not the point. Okay, now it's like kind of harder because I don't know if I should put like globs of paint on it. Okay, not globs, that's kind of a weird word, but like how much do I do? I'm basically just hitting it. Let me show you. Okay, there's like nothing on that brush. I don't know if that like makes it look ugly or not. Okay, so far I kind of like them, but I'm gonna finish it and we'll see how they turn out. I want to wait till it dries to see if I need to do more, which I don't know. And I have nothing on the back, which might look very ugly, or it might be overkill if I do the back. So we're gonna see, but I have to wait 4 hours, which I'll probably wait like 2 hours. I don't know if I'll like how it looks on or if I'll hate it, but it was super easy and super simple. Who knew art could be that easy? Okay, what do you think of these pants?
Cool.
I painted them myself. It took a long, hard time.
I don't know how that would. You'd have to wait 4 hours.
What?
Why would you have to wait 4 hours?
Because it says on the bottle, wait 4 hours to dry.
Okay.
But do you like them? Do they look cool?
You do.
Do they look like a paint thing?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm glad she likes it. Okay, after our semi-successful jeans right there, I feel a little overly confident, which I probably shouldn't. But I'm so excited that those turned out good. I hope they're good. That now I want to do these. I'm thinking about doing orange because I saw these. They look like that and they seem really cool. And even though mine aren't black jeans, I think that if I paint in stripes like up and down, it could be cool. But I don't really want to do blue with it. It's orange, blue, and white. It's orange, blue, and white, but I kind of just want to do orange and white. I'm kind of nervous for this one actually. I don't know how to start. I want it to be like this. So whatever. I'll just close my eyes. It kind of looks like poop. Or like a Halloween costume. Oh my gosh, it looks like skid marks. Ew! This is really bad. So votes are in. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. It literally looks like pants that have poop on them. Like, it doesn't even look orange. I didn't think gray and orange would make brown. So I have to either make the orange like really, that still looks like freaking skid marks. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna have to add white to it because it's honestly horrible. I'm just kind of bored. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, paint splatters like I did on the white would have looked cool on this. I feel like maybe. I don't know, now all my confidence is gone. I feel like, should I do black and white and orange? The good thing is I've had these jeans since like 8th grade, so at least it's not like they're new. This looks absolutely horrible, so I'm gonna need to put other colors on it. This is what it looks like. Are you kidding me? This does not look like the picture. Okay, let's add white. I don't know. Here we go. Do it like the picture. They were like, something like, a little something like this, maybe? Nope, not at all. That's not at all what it looked like. Whatever. Like, I don't think there's any coming back from this. Why does it look sparkly on these? Is this sparkly paint, sparkly white paint? Because if it is, I'm just gonna be even more mad at myself. I don't want sparkly jeans. I hope this doesn't make it like hard to wear. Who are we kidding? I'm not gonna wear these. Oh my gosh, I have to stop. Okay, ready to see it? I just broke my tripod. The leg just fell off. Oh my gosh, this is straight up broken. How? Oh wait, maybe it's not. I don't know. Well, the leg just came off. Anyway, and even worse news, look at the jeans. This is what they look like now. I kind of want to add the black because I want to see what it turns out like. So let's just do it. I don't care. Okay, it's 40 minutes later. These are how the jeans are looking. Not really sure if I like how they're drying, but whatever. We need to move on because we've talked about those too much. Anyway, now we're gonna do these shoes because I'm just that excited. These are the colors that I have, like purple, peach, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, it's peach. And then blue. But I feel like I should just try to paint these black or something. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I don't know. I swear if you laugh at me, I'm not gonna be happy. I can't even pick these up because they're so wet right now. This stupid red throws it all off. These could have been orange and black shoes, and look how messy this paint job is. It's despicable, but you know what? I'm gonna do a few more coats, fix it up, put the laces back on, and see how it goes. But that's all I want to do today because I am tired. After being an artist for 2 hours, I need a break. So, actually no, this was like a 4-hour experience to be honest. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you in 2 weeks when I feel like doing art again. It probably will be 2 weeks.